When we hear about the next G in connectivity, 5G, 6G, whatever's next, our minds usually jump to just one thing, right? Speed. But what if the next giant leap isn't just about faster downloads at all? What if it's about totally changing what it even means to be connected? Really think about that for a second. Imagine a world where the network doesn't just link your phone and your laptop, but extends into the very fabric of your consciousness. Yeah, it sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but believe it or not, this is the horizon that researchers are already looking toward. And this vision has a name. We're talking about concepts they're calling consciousness communication and shared existence. This isn't just another upgrade, folks. It's a total paradigm shift. The goal is to merge our digital, physical, and even our biological worlds into one. So the big question is, how on earth could that even be possible? Well, the foundation for all of this starts small, like really small. We have to go down to the subatomic level, into one of the most mind-bending fields of science there is, quantum physics. This is the bedrock for building a completely new kind of communication. So what exactly is quantum communication? Well, in the simplest terms, it's all about using the bizarre, almost magical rules of the quantum world to send data. And its killer feature, the thing that makes it such a game changer, is the promise of truly unhackable, perfectly secure information. At the heart of it is this incredible idea called quantum entanglement. Get this. You have two particles that are linked, almost like magic. No matter how far apart they get, across the room or across the galaxy, if one changes, the other one instantly changes too. This weird link makes something called quantum key distribution, or QKD, possible. It lets you create encryption keys that are physically impossible to crack. Because the second someone tries to peek, that delicate quantum link breaks, and you know immediately. This is the stuff a future quantum internet will be built on. And listen, this isn't just theory anymore. Real players are out there building this future right now. You've got companies like ID Quantique in Switzerland that are pioneering QKD, tech giants like Cisco are working on the infrastructure, and research hubs in the UK are pushing the science forward every single day. The race to build the quantum network is definitely on. Okay, so with that secure quantum foundation in place, what's the next step? Well, this is where we bring in the human element. This is where we get to the consciousness part of the whole 8G vision, the idea of plugging our brains directly into the network. And this is all made possible by something called a brain-computer interface, or BCI. The easiest way to think about it is like creating a super high bandwidth data port directly for your brain. It's technology that can actually read the faint electrical signals of your thoughts and translate them into commands for a computer or a machine. The potential here is just staggering. Imagine controlling a drone with your mind, or sharing a really complex idea with a coworker instantly, without saying a single word. But, and this is a really, really crucial point, it also opens up a huge can of worms when it comes to ethics. What does privacy even mean when your thoughts can be accessed? Who owns that data? These are massive challenges that have to be solved. And again, this tech is already taking shape. You've companies like Precision Neuroscience working on incredibly advanced brain implants, while others, like NeuroSky, are making consumer-grade headsets you can actually buy today. The whole field is moving at an incredible pace. All right, so we've got secure quantum networks and we've got brain interfaces. But how do you actually scale this up to a global level? Well, the answer requires us to completely rethink our physical world from the ground up. And this shift is, well, it's radical. Right now, today, we have separate grids for our power and for our data. The near future might see those grids fuse into one. But the ultimate vision for 8G, it's to make the physical space all around us, the air, the walls of our homes, our entire environment, the network itself. And that really gets to the heart of it. 8G isn't just about another software update. It's about a complete rebuild of our physical foundation, designed to integrate matter, energy, and information in a way we've never, ever seen before. So let's try to bring all of this together. We've talked about quantum level security, we've talked about brain interfaces, and a world where the environment is the network. What does this all add up to? What's the final destination here? This is it. This is the grand vision. A single, seamless, unified infrastructure that connects everything. Physical matter, our own consciousness, and the entire world of digital information. It's a future where the line between those three things just starts to blur. And this leaves us with a pretty profound question to chew on. As technology integrates more and more deeply into our environment and even our own biology, what does it really mean to be human in a world where you honestly can't tell where you end and the network begins?